Kicking off with football, the Reggae Boys' first game on Saturday at the 4-team tournament against Ghana in Austria has been cancelled due to the late arrival of the Ghanaian team to the European country. The Ghanaians are expected to arrive on Saturday, Jamaica time. The tournament organisers offered the chance for the boys to play the match on Sunday, but that was declined by the technical staff, who felt it was too close to Tuesday's encounter against Morocco. The Jamaicans will play the World Cup hosts, Qatar, next Friday to close out the tournament. Meanwhile, interim coach Meron Gordon says even with the disappointment of not having the game on Saturday, there is a plan in place to use the current crop of players as part of a long-term project.
It's a good learning tool for them also to know exactly, the pace at which, football is played at this level. So I just think this is just a blessing for them. This is a long-term plan for us, as I was talking to the technical director the other day, and he also suggests that, we should at least bring in these boys as often as we can, to keep them in line, keep them, in terms of how we want them to play, because how you play at the club and play for the national team is two different things in terms of system, organization and structure sometimes. So it's a long-term plan for us.